So, hello Nandini.
Hello Tamanna, how are you?
Well, I'm good and you?
I'm also good. So, what are you doing nowadays?
Like right now, I'm not doing much,
Morning.
but
How are you? Good and you? I'm good and today we are going to play phone talk. I have selected two students, Nandini and Tamanna, and they will teach you how to talk on phone. They know in each other, but they don't know, but they know how to talk, but maybe audience who are watching they don't know maybe. So today they will teach you how to talk on phone and you will enjoy and definitely you will learn. So let's
hello Nandini.
Hello Tamanna, how are you?
Well, I'm good and you?
I'm also good. So, what are you doing nowadays?
Like right now, I'm not doing much, but I'm just busy on my work related to something. So, what about you?
Well, I'm also busy on my work, like related to my study. I'm too busy in that. So, I really don't have that much time, or I'm not having that much.
Okay, so like, what are you busy with? Like any studies about what are you doing actually?
Well, I'm doing my BA English Honors from DUSOL, and with it, I'm just doing my French course, and
are
I'm learning
learning
English.
French?
Yes, I'm learning
How
French.
much you have learned like about French?
Like I had completed my A1 level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like in what they teach in that in A1 level?
In A1 level, they taught about some grammar, adjective, possessive, and the means the countings, cardinal numbers, and everything about that, how to make a sentence. So that's what they taught about in A1 level.
Okay. So like, why do you want to learn French? May I know about this?
Well, I don't know the particular reason why I am learning French because I don't have any, like I just want to do any course, and then I found my interest in I want to learn any language because maybe it will help me in future if I will go out of country. So I decided now I have to learn a foreign language. So I decided that I will learn French.
Okay. So it will be good for you in the future.
Yes, and what are you doing?
Like nothing much. I'm just learning my English course and that's it. And I'm thinking in future I will try new skills because right now I want to just stay free for a while. That's
Okay, so you don't want to do hard work today.
like not today but less for a while because like I want to do something but I'm waiting for a perfect time because it's been almost 1 year and I'm staying at home and doing nothing. So I have decided that in the future, like in few weeks or in a few months, I will do any course. It will be better for myself.
Yes, you are right. We should focus on the thing that whatever we are learning.
Yes.
And you are, it's been 1 year, you are at your home. Like you didn't go out.
Like I didn't try anything. This is the thing. I once went to the like a kind of a course or something like that, and it wasn't that much appropriate because they told me that this is our course. In that we will teach you everything like computer, about your job, about your English and all the stuff. And I didn't want to go. And even my father said no, you should not go because it's far, and we can't trust that those people because somewhere the conversation between us was quite complicated. So my father told no, you should stay at like right here. You don't need to learn computer. You have computer at home. You are going to your English classes. You don't need to go there. So that is why.
Yes.
That is the only thing I tried.
Yes, because nowadays it's hard to trust someone easily.
Yes, because even I wanted to go there. I just went there because the person, they keep calling me, keep messaging me like you should come, you should come. So I just went there to check like if it's right or not, but it wasn't right for me, so I didn't went there.
Well, I did the same with someone. Like I will tell you the whole story. Listen.
Yes.
Okay, someone was calling me again and again, you should join our seminar, you should see like how, like it was related to cabin crew. Like I am interested to be a cabin crew, but I don't want to join, I don't want to be in that seminar, but they are forcing me again and again. So what I did, I just picked their call and I booked the seat of me and my friend. And I didn't go there. They were calling me again and again at that day, and I didn't go there. Like I do a kind of scam with them because I didn't go.
Like it's been happening since I have passed my 12th class. Every day there is a new call, there is a new message. So I am tired of this. So what I have done, like I have blocked the unknown numbers. Whoever the unknown number person will call me, they will block themselves. So I don't need to like get tensed or talk about something. They just don't text me. Even if they text me, I block them. So I am free with this.
Yes.
This is a new thing I have learned.
Yes, really, after 12, it's too hard. Like again and again, they are calling. I just fed up with this kind of thing. So, how's your family? Like your mother, your parents, and your sibling?
Like my family is going very well, like they are good, and I just don't talk much with them. It's just going well. About your family?
My family is really good, like they are happy and healthy as well. Somewhere there is an health issue in my mother's health, but but she is totally fine, I can say.
Like she is okay right now.
Yeah, she is okay. And about your siblings, like still you are fighting with them, having a bad conversation with them?
Each and every day, like even today, even yesterday, each and every day I fight with them. Not with my elder sister, I don't talk or fight with her. Like now we are growing up, so now we have realized. But somewhere my fight between me and my younger sibling is totally up to like too much. Like every day is a conversation between us and we fight. Sometimes it's just about like verbally about the words. Sometimes a bit become physically. Sometimes I also hit them with the help of belt. But they don't listen. They are just like they don't want to listen to me. So just I'm very tired of this thing.
When I listened this, I found it so funny, the kind of bond you're having with your younger sibling. But it's okay.
It's very common between us because if you don't listen to me, don't. So this is the only thing I have done. I always beat them, whatever the things I get, my phone and a stick and my nails, with everything. But they still are those person who don't want to listen. So this is the best I can do.
Even I am the younger one, and I used to face this situation with my elder sister.
Okay. So I hope you like our content. Please subscribe and comment on this channel. And this is all about this. That's all.